So here is the Audi SQ5 2018. As you can see, this car is exactly what you would expect. 6,400 miles, clean as a pin. Take a look down the side, nice and straight. Check out the wheels. Of course, tires are in excellent shape. It is a V6. Front and rear park sense. Let's take a closer look inside. One last look out here. As you can see, it does have your power tailgate. And now as we turn, of course it has your memory seats, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power lumbar, power seats. As your two-tone interior, this vehicle is really very nice. This gives you a good idea of the driver's side seat, which of course with 6,400 miles you wouldn't expect it to have much wear or any wear. And that's what you've got here. Of course, automatic headlights, your steering wheel touch controls. Of course, the vehicle does have Bluetooth. Your paddle shifters on your gears. And let's get a little closer here. So as you can see, you have your navigation, which I like the way they place these. Does have your rear backup camera, of course. 3-zone climate control with the auto stop and drive, drive select, park assist, downhill assist, traction control. Does have your media hub. Electric brake control. Condition of the car is excellent. And of course, as you can see, it does have your retractable screen, your power sunroof, so she's ready. And a very nice looking vehicle. Think you'd enjoy this.